Hello everyone and welcome to my serial media project for assignment 3. So I'm still unsure of what profession I want to take place in. So I did a couple of different designs. So firstly I have a logo design, and secondly I did a animation, and third and fourth I did a landing page for a sneaker shop that I came up with. So I was planning to start my own business soon, and I took this opportunity to create a logo for it. And the small business is called Someday Visions, and they make rugs. And the vibe that I was going for is something that's really, I guess, fun, exciting, and playful, which is why I came up with this logo options here. I did the mascot, so in the middle you see a sun. It's kind of like a play on word with someday, and I have him as the mascot, and all around it is other logo options that could be potentially used throughout the, I guess, say, branding of the company or business. So the backstory of this was that one day I was scrolling through Instagram and I found this designer called JMO Designs, and I really like his style. It really reminds me of something in the 90s or something retro, and I really like that. So here on JMO's page, you can see that the style is really consistent and that it's really fun, and it kind of aligns with the business that I'm going with. And with that said, to how there's only one or even a duo tone color, nothing complex. It's really, I guess, minimalistic. And with this logo options, I also give the brand an identity. So you can see that there's no seriousness in the brand. It's all fun, and yeah, so it kind of gives you like a brand identity too with all these logo options. So this logo was created through Illustrator. I started with a pen tablet, so I actually hand drew some of the sketches on Illustrator first before I kind of vectorized it, and then used the pen tool to create the shapes. And also I discovered new fonts that would suit this as well. And yeah, it was pretty fun doing this project, logo project, because I did get a lot of compliments, even on Behance, where someone I didn't know commented on it and appreciated it. And it was really fun doing this one. So moving on to project number 2, I actually did a hover animation on Adobe XD. And I guess this is a part of UX UI design as well, where the user or customer can search the web and then hover over something and this happens. So like these animations here. And I tried to really make them quirky and align with like ice cream, because ice cream is usually fun. This project probably took the longest because I'm not the best at animation. It's not my forte, but I reckon it looks pretty good despite me doing it from scratch. I actually posted this on Behance, and you can actually go check it out yourself. So there's a link in the bio, you just click that and you can actually interact with all the animations. So when you hover over the ice cream, it will do what you see right now. Yeah, and I was actually surprised that some people actually appreciated my post on Behance and left a comment. But you guys can check it out yourself too. So moving on to my last two projects. So right here you can see a wireframe. So this is my, I guess, brainstorm of a website that I wanted to come up with, and it was a sneaker website. So I'm into sneakers, and I wanted to build a website to, I guess, showcase one of my favorite sneakers. So this is a wireframe, and if you click this link here for Adobe, you can actually go in and see a more refined version of this wireframe. And this took quite a while because I had to come up with new ideas and also do some research and I guess come up with the overall style of the website and how I want it to look. So all this was done on Adobe XD, and I left a link in the description of the wireframe prototype, so you can actually go in there and look and actually scroll so you can get a overall feel of how I started this website. And moving on to the next series, I actually did the website up, so I put in all the photos and text. This was pretty difficult for me because I'm not the best at Adobe XD either. So yeah, it took me quite a while to get used to all the functions and features that they have to offer. And this project isn't complete yet because my plan was to put the animation that I did in project number 2 and potentially add that into the website. So when they hover over the shoe they want to buy, they'll get that animation effect like you see in the ice cream. And yeah, so overall, I found this project to be a pretty good experience. And because I'm not really 100% sure on what I want to focus on as my career pathways, I decided to do all these graphics and different designs. And I guess that really helped me narrow down because now I know that I really want to do UX and UI more than graphics. And yeah, thanks for listening, guys.